Hi, thanks for tuning in. We're going to be changing a battery on a 2014 SRX 4 Cadillac. Pretty simple procedure. First thing you're going to do is take the battery cover off here. There's two tabs on either side. Just push those in, pop that cover off. Then you can lay the cover across the front shroud there, bumper shroud. Next thing you're going to do is take loose two 10mm bolts, one on each terminal, and then one 13mm bolt for the positive starter lead. So go ahead and take those off. Then you got these two clips on either side of the fuse box that rests on the battery. Go ahead and pop those two off. They just pull out away from the battery. Also make note that you do want to disconnect the negative battery terminal first before taking loose the positive. That's a pretty important step there. You don't want to ground the body out while you're taking loose the positive. You may need to put a little flathead screwdriver wedge in there and pry that open a little bit, and then you can wiggle that off there. You may need to do that on the negative side as well. Next you have these clamps that hold the fuse block on, one on either side. Just pop those loose. Now you have a 13mm hold down bolt. You want to make note that there is a two-piece hold down bracket here, so keep that the way it came out. And then once you get the new battery installed, you make note that's what it should look like at the bottom for the hold down. Then you can pop that plastic fuse panel back on top of the battery. Snaps right on. Next you're going to want to reconnect your positive terminal and that positive starter lead. Again, that's a 10mm and a 13mm. Then you hook the negative battery terminal up last. Get that snugged up. Next you reinstall the clips that hold that fuse panel on to the battery box. And then make note on the engine side, there's two slats. You want to go with the top slat, not the bottom slat, otherwise it will not reach. Then you just slap that cover back on and you are good to go. Make sure those tabs line up and snap back in. You're all set. Thanks for watching.